To set up Do Not Disturb mode in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the sound and vibration options. Then we can enter Do Not Disturb mode, and right here you should be able to activate it or deactivate it with the first switch. Then there's options. So we have silence media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. You can activate this, and that way every app should be muted during the Do Not Disturb mode. So basically everything should be muted when you enter that mode. Then there's the schedules. That means you can create a schedule where Do Not Disturb mode should toggle on automatically. Click on this plus button and add your own schedule. Right here by default we have a sleep mode. When activated, it will enable Do Not Disturb mode on this time every day. Next thing is exceptions. You can add specific exceptions to what can actually go through Do Not Disturb mode. For example, calls and messages can be set to favorite contacts only. That way everyone from your favorite contacts will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. And you can change it to contacts, everyone, or nobody. Then there's the apps, and you can also exclude the apps from Do Not Disturb mode, so select whichever apps you would like to use in that mode. Then lastly, we have ring for repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you 2 times in the span of 3 minutes, their call will go through normally, like you wouldn't have Do Not Disturb mode active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.